Debt is one of the most stressful, unfortunate financial barriers that we get trapped into. I mean, from credit card debt to student loans, car loans, high interest rates, it's all very much annoying and it causes anxiety and great stress. Debt makes it difficult to save and it puts a strain on our budget. I mean, look, let's be honest. Being in debt, it can affect your mental health, your physical well-being, and your credit score. So with that being said, in today's video, I am going to share how to pay off debt fast so that we can get to a better place mentally and physically. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that you know anytime that I upload new content, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up because we are talking all about getting rid of this debt fast. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad that you came back to vibe with me. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel as well. Look, it's free, y'all, for the free 99. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up as well. Let's dive in. I have been on my debt-free journey now for 9 months using my debt-free journey workbook. I started my journey September of last year, and I have paid off a total of 7 debts, totaling $17,428.93 using the Snowball method, coupled with increasing my income. So that is pretty much what we're going to talk about in today's video. I am going to share with you the actual steps on how you use the Snowball method to pay off debt, and then we're going to talk about the income part second. So the first thing that I would say you need to do when paying off debt or getting ready to start your journey is to get excited. Maybe you should get mad first because you're probably already mad, and then get excited for the journey that is to come. I do have a whole playlist on my entire journey from the first video to the video last month, and I'll leave that playlist at the end of this video for you to check it out, and you can kind of just watch the entire process. Here I'm just giving an overview of everything, but going really in detail of how to actually pay off debt. This was a request from one of the besties, and so I'm super excited to go over that. Debt sucks. Just, you know, it does. It really does suck when there's a lot of it and you have used it without a plan. You've used debt without intentionality, and you just have a lot of it, and it's causing a lot of money to go out of your household. So here in my debt-free journey workbook, I do talk about the debt snowball method. There's a few different methods that you can use to pay off debt. However, I have found that the fastest way to pay off debt is by using the debt snowball method. Okay, I will also be talking about other methods as well in another video, but I just want to focus on the debt snowball in this video. So with the debt snowball method, this is the most popular and effective way and the fastest way that you can pay off debt, because you are making great strides and you are making victories early on in your journey, and it gets you motivated to just keep on going and keep throwing money at your debt. So first I'm going to go over how to make these payments without any extra money. Let's say you don't have a side hustle, you are not selling anything, you're just paying with your regular income. This is the first example I'm going to give you. So once you list all of your debts out from the smallest balance to the largest balance, you are going to make the minimum payment on every single card until you are done paying off the first card or debt. Let's say this debt, I've paid off this debt of $168.48 and I'm done. So then I take $30 and I roll that into the next highest debt, which is actually this debt here, which is $12.15. So I take $30 and then I add $12.15, and that gets me $42.15. So I will make a payment of $42.15 until this is paid off. Once this is paid off, I will take the $42.15 and then I'm gonna roll it into the next lowest balance, which is $57. I'm gonna add $57 to that. I'm gonna be making a payment of $99.15 until this is paid off. Once it's paid off, I'm gonna now snowball these 3 minimum payments into the next smallest debt. So then I'm gonna add $133.18. That's $232.33. So I'm now paying monthly $232.33 until this balance is paid off. Once this balance is paid off, I will take $232.33 because those are the minimum payments, and I'm gonna snowball it into the next payment. So now that's $113. Hold on, I have to add all those back together. So we have $30 plus $12.15 plus $57 plus $133.18 plus the minimum payment of the debt that we're paying off, $113. So now we have $345.33. I hope I did that right. I don't know if let me see. Let me make sure. I don't know. So we take $30 plus $12.15 plus $57 plus $133.18 plus $113. Okay. So yeah, so $345.33. We're going to be making that payment on the Capital One card until it is paid off. Once it's paid off, we take $345.33 and then we snowball that into the $133.72. You guys understand what I'm saying? So then, well, I do want to make sure that I have everything calculated correctly. So 30 plus 12.15 plus 57 plus 133.18 plus 113 plus 133.72. So $479.05. So I'm taking $479.05 and I'm paying on my personal loan until this is paid off. Once this is paid off, then I go to the next smallest loan, which was probably the personal taxes, but I don't have them in order here, so it's fine. But you kind of understand what I'm saying. Then you take the minimum payment to that, and then you just snowball each minimum payment into the next smallest balance that you have until all of your debt is paid off. I hope that that made sense. So that's how you pay off debt using the snowball method. It's the fastest way to pay off debt because you're getting rid of smaller balances faster, and you are motivated because you're paying off debt. Even though it's a small balance, just the victory of paying that off is rewarding, and it motivates you to keep going. This is the reason why I love my debt progress jars, because I'm able to highlight once I have paid something off. So this 100% motivates me. Like, it motivates me to no other. Give me a highlighter and let's go. So that's the fastest way. The next fastest way to pay off debt is to generate additional income. The more money that you can throw at debt, the faster you can pay it off. And you can do that by getting a side hustle of any kind, whatever it is, whatever skill you have. If you can sell it, then sell it, and whatever extra money that you have, you're gonna throw that at debt, still using the snowball method. You can also like work extra overtime, or you can even sell things. You can use extra money that you get maybe from taxes or bonuses or anything like that. But just whatever extra money you get, you're throwing that at debt, and you're still snowballing your payments. So what does that look like? So for example, this is where my actual example comes in at. When I started paying off debt, I was using side hustle money to pay off debt. And so I was able to pay off my 3 smallest debts first. I was just able to pay it right on off. And then when I get to the next debt, I am still snowballing, as you can see here. This little note that I was giving myself, I was still snowballing from my regular income, the minimum payments, into whatever payment was coming up next. But when I had extra money from my side hustle, I would add that to the snowball payment to make that payment. And then I was paying off debt even faster because I was using side hustle money, but I was still going in order. Like I said, you can see this in real time by looking at my playlist where I show how I'm doing this. And I had stopped doing it the snowball method, and I had after I paid off all of my credit card debt, and I kind of went to another method, which was like, oh, I just want to get rid of this, debt as fast as I can. But I know I'm going back to the snowball method. So that means the next debt that I will be paying off is the personal taxes. And then after that, then I will be paying off my 401k loan, 1 and 2, and then I'll be paying off the supplemental taxes. So I'm going back to the snowball method because I just found it to be better, and I literally paid off debt faster. So using the snowball method, the interest rates really don't matter. That is using the avalanche method, and I'll talk about that in a separate video. And then that way you can figure out which method works best for you in paying off debt. All of our minds work differently, and so some people want to strictly use the snowball method, and some people strictly want to use the avalanche method. But it's all what you feel is necessary for your life. And just stay motivated by, updating your progress and just getting this debt paid off. It's so rewarding, and it's just allows you to breathe with no stress. So, if you have been thinking about starting your debt-free journey, I really encourage you to just do it. There is no right time to do it. I will just start because you want to get into that habit and the mindset that you want to go ahead and pay off debt. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll be debt-free. The longer you wait, the longer you'll be in debt. I just want to encourage you to get started with what you have, and trust me, you will continue to get ideas, you'll be motivated, etc. So follow my journey while I am on my debt-free journey of paying off my debt in different phases. but I really encourage that you follow me because there's other things that I'm doing as well. I'm going on no spend challenges. I'm definitely making extra money. I'm sacrificing certain things so that I can get this debt paid off, because my main goal is to have the majority of my money coming in my home so that I can focus on things that I love. And so if that is you, pick up the Debt Free Journey workbook. It is a digital version that you are able to print out and customize it to your liking. But I just want to encourage you, if you want to start, girl, just start. Don't be like, oh, I'm gonna wait until the summer is over, because it'll always be something that you need to wait until. Okay? I hope that that was very helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions for you. And I will see you besties in the next video. Don't forget, I am going to be leaving the playlist attached at the end of this so you can check it out. But I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.